Okay, so, hi, Freya's mum here. Yes, hi. Time to do a vlog. A video log. Focus. There is something exciting I do want to share with you, actually. Not so good news, but my husband's brother's family are relocating back to Singapore, which is sad. We won't get to see them. But I did score a box of craft stuff and it looks like there's quite a bit of yarn in there. They're not wanting to take that to Singapore with them, so it's mine now. I'm quite excited to go through it and see what goodies are in there and what I can do with them. Awesome. Okay, I can see the box over there. That's why I'm looking over there. I'll take you through that a bit later. Crochet projects at the moment. I am working on something epic. If you've seen the vlog where I went to West Gippsland, you might know that I am crocheting something epic for my bestie. So I can't actually share too much, but I will tell you it's large, it's black, it's wearable, and I'm using luxury Templi from Bendigo Woolen Mills to complete the project. And I can't wait to share it with you, but I am going to wait till it's finished. She doesn't know it yet, but I'm going to ask if she can model it. Please. The other things I've done recently, you might have seen it on Instagram, maybe, is I decided rather than chuck out my dilapidated rather than chuck out the headphones that are disintegrating, hey, I've covered them with crochet and I love them. Look. Ah, it's so cute. Oh God, I can't hear anything now. The best. What did I do to achieve that? Basically, I just chained to make it fit. And then I did a spiral around. And this is done in cotton, by the way. And then for the earpieces, I'll show you. I started with a rubber band and crocheted around the rubber band and then shaped just again in a spiral. Oh no, I didn't. I did slip stitch to sort of keep it even. And then into the back loop to, I guess, turn the corner and then make them fit on. I'll put that back on later. Oh, there is something else that I recently made. I need to go and get it. Hang on. Freya is going to a birthday party on the weekend, this coming weekend. Her first one for the year, and it's for a little boy turning 6. Freya decorated the little box and then I get to put my label on. But I decided to make this because every kid needs a zombie. I can't remember the details of the pattern and all of that, so I'm going to stick them up on the screen somewhere after the fact when I have time to look it up. So cute. Oh, I actually really want to keep him, but no. I made it for little Thomas. Thomas can have it, but I really want to keep it. And it also means I got to fill out one of my cards. Hi, I am a zombie. I am made from cotton and acrylic. Mostly cotton. The mustard is a blend. And I've put spot clean only. Very good. So that's crochet for the moment. Knitting, I did put it on Instagram as well. I was gifted this lovely yarn from my mother-in-law when we went and visited Cotton Woolcraft in Rosedale together. I promised I would make a hat for the Syrian refugees that she and her sister and a lot of other knitters she knows collects for. Basically, I could make any size I wanted and any pattern I wanted. It just kind of needs to be 100% wool or natural fibres because it's very cold where the refugees are. So anyway, this is 100% Australian fine merino wool superwash from Fiddlesticks, Pepin 8. And I am making this little hat. I picked up the pattern a couple of days ago from Wondoflex in Malvern, Victoria. You got to go there on Friday and Saturday to go into the bargain. I don't want to say basement. We call it the Cave of Wonders. It's not really a basement, but it's out the back and they only open it 2 days a week. Yeah, I just saw this pattern. I thought, oh, that hat would look great. A, in this colour, and B, it's really cute. Anyway, I'm making the 3 to 4 years size which is 46 centimeters, and it's actually done in the flat, not in the round. So I have cast on. The other thing about this is that if you've seen some of my other videos, you'll know that I'm wanting to practice Norwegian knitting, which is basically just a different way of holding the needles. So, you know, usually I would knit like that, wrap the yarn around, but instead I am working on, you probably can't see this, but just picking up the loop off your finger. So it's kind of like finger picking. No, that's not it. So far, I've only made dishcloth in the Norwegian knitting technique. So I've promised myself I will do this entire hat using Norwegian style knitting and not cave and go back to my old style of knitting because it's easier. Because the idea is that I get good at Norwegian knitting. So far, so good. I have done this whole thing in Norwegian knitting and I'm quite happy with how it's turning out. Because previously with Norwegian knitting, I was worried about my tension, particularly between the pearls and the knits, but also, you know, I felt my knit stitches were really tight and then my pearl stitches were really loose, but I think they're evening out, which is really cool. That is my current knitting project. It was a while ago, but my previous knitting project was a hat and scarf for a gentleman in Chicago. I had conversed with Greg previously about a TV show that I worked on called Utopia. He's a big fan of the show and, you know, we'd had little conversations here and there. And then I posted on my actor profile that I like knitting. And next thing I know, Greg's asked if I can do a hat and scarf for him based on a Midnight Oil album cover. And at first I freaked out and was like, how the hell am I gonna do that? But I managed to achieve it. So yeah, I couldn't be happier actually. And he now has the hat and scarf and I hope he's been enjoying them during the colder months. Yeah, it was a huge challenge and I really enjoyed it. So thanks, Greg. For some upcoming videos, I'm keen to do something about Norwegian knitting, actually, and I'm thinking of calling it Knitting for Crocheters because continental knitting and Norwegian knitting are definitely feel more comfortable for crocheters or people that have crocheted first, knit second. I actually was a knitter first, crocheted second. I think because I have been crocheting a lot in the last few years, I am finally getting the Norwegian knitting thing down. So they definitely work well together. Oh, hey, how about you comment below what kind of videos you actually might want to see from me? Do you like the tutorials? Do you want more of this vloggy stuff? Hey, let me know. Oh, another idea I have for a video, which could be quite fun, is a bit of a knitting challenge. I want to knit something, not something too epic, but maybe like a scarf or something on chopsticks or pencils or something a little bit obscure, something that's not knitting needles, but it's still possible to actually knit something. I have knitted with pencils before just to prove that it was possible. Nothing caught on film, however, but I think that could be fun. We get a couple of pencils. They've got to be the same size, obviously. Probably a little bit sharp, so I can get, yeah, and long, I guess, because if they're too short, obviously won't have a lot of stitches to work with. But that could be a fun video. And then maybe another one for the crocheters. I'm thinking of doing everything I've learnt about amigurumi. Like with anything, the more you do it, the more little tips you pick up on how to achieve the best result. I think I've learnt quite a few things over the last few years and that might be worth sharing. Okay, I think it's time to get the box now and let's see what's going on in there. Here's the box. Here's me opening the box. What's in the box? Ooh, okay. We've got a leather case. What could be inside the leather case? I'm opening the leather case. Ah, little tools. So not knitting or crochet, but interesting. I wonder if this sheds more light. Ah! I see. Some jewelry making. Oh my god, look at all the beads. Oh, awesome. Come into focus. That's so cool. Skull beads. Oh, score. Okay, so I think my sister-in-law's been making jewelry and now I get to make jewelry. I don't know if I want to make jewelry. I don't think I need another hobby. That's all right. It's all good stuff, obviously. Paper bags. Yeah, they might come in handy. Projects, patterns. Oh, cute. Got a pattern for that now. Cute. Oh, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh my goodness! Jackpot! What? I think they're cottons. Hang on a sec. Yeah, hang on. I need to open this. Yes! Sidar cotton DK. A bag full of Sidar cotton DK. Pretty. Oh my goodness. Where am I going to put it? I might have to leave it in the box for now. Oh, we have more yarn. Ugh. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, hang on. For beads, we have more beads and yarn. It looks like some kind of raffia or something. What have we got? Oh, some Marvel, some Spotlight. Ooh. I wonder if I could do like a kid's hat or top or something and incorporate the beads. I'm sure the beads were for jewelry making, but I could use them for knitting and crochet. Okay, what else have we got? We've got some actual knitting in here. Still on the needles. Oh, I suppose it's not going to be much use in Singapore. It's like the start of a jumper. Yeah, not much use in Singapore. Actually feels like cotton, but what is it? It's... oh, anti-peeling acrylic. It actually feels really nice. That's a really high quality acrylic. I've never seen that label before. Maybe it came from Singapore. Oh, beautiful knitting from my sister-in-law. I like how the colours are coming up in that too. What have we got here? Oh, hang on. Hang on. Oh, okay. This looks like, well, it's not a blanket. Maybe a toy, but not finished. Oh, we've got more. Okay, we've got some squares and a little bit of, oh gosh. There's probably a pattern for it in one of the books, but what would you do? Would you finish off the project or unravel everything and just use the yarn? I don't think I could unravel it. No, I don't think so. I may need to finish it off eventually. I mean, such beautiful work. Oh, hello. Toys! New toys for me! Cool. Oh. Interesting. That looks like macrame. Is it macrame or macrame? Some wire. That could be useful. Oh. I think Freya would like that ribbon. I like it too, so I don't know if I want to give it to her. Some more beads and things. And a little bit more yarn. Looks like some Cleckheaton Country 8-ply. It's to make Cruella the cat knitting pattern. So it's a kit. She's very sweet, Cruella, but if I was going to make a toy, I would crochet it. Not going to lie. Hey, thanks for listening. Thanks for being here for the opening or the unveiling of the box. There's some really cool stuff in there. Wow, I think it might be Christmas. I think I might just put everything back in the box, and I know what's there now, and there's some cool stuff. I don't think I'll take up jewelry making, but you know what? Never say never. Oh, those cottons are amazing. Yeah. What am I doing? Oh, I'm saying goodbye. Hey, thanks for listening. Like, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. Share my videos too, please. The idea of this YouTube stuff is to start a dialogue with other people. So what I really want is I want people to see my videos and leave comments that I can reply to, and we can share all the knitting and crochet knowledge and fun. Don't forget the fun. So yeah, share, blah, blah, blah. Have a great day. So I can sync it later because I've got a new microphone.